Hello there everybody, in this video I'm going to show you exactly what you'll get when you purchase the Pelios smartwatch with earpiece. As you can see, it comes in nice and professional packaging to ensure that your items are not damaged while in transit. Once you open up the box, you'll see that you have everything you would need to get your Pelios smartwatch up and running. This includes a nice and easy to read user manual so you know exactly how to operate the smartwatch. You get 2 replacement ear tips. You get a micro USB charging cable to recharge the watch itself. You get a high quality and adjustable smartwatch band. And last but certainly not least, you get your watch with the earbud attached along with the charging station. As shown on the screen right now, when you have the watch inserted into the watch band, this is how it will look, but this is no ordinary smartwatch. Although you can monitor your steps and do all of the normal functions that you would expect to get from a smartwatch, the Pelios smartwatch allows you to take calls with the built-in earpiece. It is very simple to set up. Make sure you watch the frequently asked questions video on the Pelios smartwatch for more information.